Hello and welcome to a discussion on accounting. Today we are going to pick up some questions and answers, and these questions have been raised by students, and some of these questions may be numerical or some may be theoretical, and today's question is to find the cash in hand and profit when certain transactions are given. And these transactions are: during the period a company issues 10,000 shares of 10 at 30, Availed loan and purchase shares and purchase stock, and these stocks are sold at for 80,000, and 50% of the sales is on credit, and the tax rate during the period is 30,000. With this information, one is required to calculate or determine profit for the period and cash at the end of the year. In order to do so, we will prepare an income statement and cash flow statement. So when a company issues shares, it is a receipt 100,000, and the shares are issued at a premium, so therefore 10 is a face value, 20 is a premium, so that is a receipt. And the company raised a loan of 10,000, and the loan raise is a cash inflow, and with that cash they purchase shares of 220,000 and also purchase stock for 50,000, which are payments. During this period there is an expense of 5,000 which was paid, so that is a payment. An entire stock is sold for 80,000, whereas 50% of the sales is for cash, and whenever there is a sale there has to be cost of goods sold, so the entire stock becomes the cost of goods sold. Entire stock becomes the cost of goods sold. An expense for the period we already mentioned was 5,000, and which is shown in the income statement. Interest during the period is charged at 10%, and 10% on the loan, 10% on loan. Interest is charged 10% on the loan, and interest is due but not paid, so we have not shown interest as a payment. We can also check if the interest is paid, what will happen to the cash in hand. So the total expenses is 56,000, total income is 80,000, so PBT is 1,000, and tax on that is 30%, and entire tax is paid, so it's a cash flow. So profit after tax is 700, and the cash in hand is 74,700. Suppose we decide to make the payment of interest, so then observe that interest will become a cash outflow, no change in the profit, but the cash in hand will change because there is an outflow of cash to the extent of 1,000. So for a given transactions like this, it is possible to find profit and cash in hand by preparing the income statement and cash flow statement. And in this question the profit is 700 and cash in hand is 73,700. Thank you very much. We'll pick up another question in the next presentation. Thanks.